Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your stock car faster. Remove non-essential weight first and prioritize a single, high-impact improvement such as engine tuning or forced induction. Test gains incrementally and track power-to-weight changes after each modification. Prioritizing one pathway prevents wasted expense and keeps reliability intact. I'll guide you through decision points, simple measurements, and how to verify real-world lap or acceleration improvements with minimal downtime. Lightweighting is practical and immediate. Remove spare, excess sound deadening, and unused seats to reduce mass without performance trade-offs. Replace heavy wheels or brake components only if they lower unsprung weight and preserve braking efficiency. Keep the car balanced by redistributing weight to avoid adverse handling changes. Measure before and after with a scale or corner weights to confirm gains and ensure safety remains the top priority during choosing one power upgrade keeps the project focused and effective. Consider a modest turbo, supercharger, or high-flow intake and exhaust tuned together for best results. Always retune the ECU to match the hardware and fuel quality to avoid detonation and reliability issues. Use repeatable tests like quarter-mile runs or dyno pulls to quantify improvements, and avoid mixing many small mods that confuse cause and effect in your performance gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.